In the heart of a bustling city, amidst the towering buildings and busy streets, there is a humble workshop that stands out for its simplicity and beauty. This workshop is where Kitunga Kapya, a refugee wood artisan, pours his heart and soul into his craft, creating exquisite pieces that tell stories of resilience, culture, and hope. Kitunga's journey began in a small village in East Africa, where he learned the art of woodworking from his grandfather. As a young boy, he would spend hours in the workshop, watching in awe as his grandfather transformed blocks of wood into intricate carvings that seemed to come to life in his hands. It was here that Kitunga discovered his passion for woodcraft, a passion that would shape his future in ways he could never have imagined. But Kitunga's idyllic childhood was soon shattered by the dark clouds of conflict and war that descended upon his village. Forced to flee his home with nothing but the clothes on his back, Kitunga embarked on a perilous journey that would lead him to a refugee camp in a foreign land. It was here, amidst the chaos and uncertainty, that Kitunga found solace in his craft, using his woodworking skills to bring a sense of normalcy and purpose to his life. Despite the hardships he faced in the refugee camp, the overcrowded living conditions, the lack of basic amenities, the constant fear of the unknown, Kitunga never lost sight of his dream. With unwavering determination and resilience, he set up a small workshop in a corner of the camp, using scraps of wood and makeshift tools to create beautiful pieces of art that spoke of his culture and heritage. Word of Kitunga's talent soon spread beyond the borders of the refugee camp, attracting the attention of locals who were captivated by his skill and creativity. Encouraged by their support, Kitunga began to showcase his work at local markets and exhibitions, slowly but steadily building a reputation for himself as a skilled artisan with a unique voice. As his confidence grew, Kitunga started to experiment with new techniques and styles, blending traditional woodworking methods with modern design elements to create pieces that were both timeless and contemporary. His work caught the eye of art collectors and enthusiasts, who marveled at the intricacy and craftsmanship of his creations. But for Kitunga, success was never just about recognition or accolades. It was about using his talent to make a difference in the lives of those around him, especially his fellow refugees who shared his struggles and dreams. With the support of a local NGO, Kitunga launched a woodworking training program in the camp, teaching young men and women the art of woodcraft and empowering them to build a better future for themselves. Today, Kitunga's workshop stands as a beacon of hope and inspiration in the community, a place where refugees can come together to learn, create, and dream of a brighter tomorrow. Through his art, Kitunga has not only preserved his culture and heritage but has also forged a path to self-reliance and independence, proving that creativity and determination can overcome even the most daunting of obstacles. As the sun sets over the city, casting a golden glow over Kitunga's workshop, one thing is clear: his journey is far from over. With each piece he creates, each life he touches, Kitunga continues to weave a tapestry of resilience, unity, and hope that transcends borders and speaks to the universal language of art. And in doing so, he reminds us all that no matter where we come from or what challenges we face, the power of creativity and community can light the way to a brighter future.